What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video of music stream application in Android Studio. Till now we have completed the most important features of our application, that is listing out the songs and playing the songs. So we have categories, and in different categories we have different songs. We can play those songs. We have implemented beautiful UI with animation. We have playing controls like pause, play, forward, rewind, playback speed. So in this video we are going to add different sections in our homepage so that we can have like trending, all-time hit, classic, or you can add any section in our application. So those sections will be dynamic. We will update in the Firebase and we will get those data in the application. So let's get back to the project. So first thing we'll do is we'll go to main activity, activity main binding. Here we'll add another item that will be our first section and recycler view. So we can minimize this relative layout, and inside this linear layout we have text view and the recycler view. Now below this we'll add same thing, like I will copy this and paste it. Now here I will give some padding, so for that I will use view width match parent height, let's give 30 dp, so we will have gap. Now instead of categories, what I will do, it will be some text like trending, but it will be dynamic. So let's give this as a tools text. It will be, let's say, trending, and we'll give ID to it so that we can change it from main activity. So ID, let's say section 1 title, let's say section 1 title, and this recycler view will be section 1 recycler view. So we have title and section 1. Let's add an arrow image also here. So for that what I will do, resource, drawable, new, vector asset, I will find some arrow. We can use this arrow right, click on OK, make the color white, let's name it icon arrow right, next, finish. So here I will add image view, make it 32 dp, and source will be arrow right, and it should go to right. So for that what I will do, I will use this all three inside the relative layout. Let's make a relative layout here, match parent height will be wrap content, and cut these three items and paste it inside this, and this image view align parent end will be true so that it will go at end, and this recycler view will be below our section 1 title. So we have added the recycler view. Let's make an item view and also create an adapter. So first thing what we will do, we'll go to layout and create an item view, layout resource file, let's name it song section song list recycler row, click on OK, split. So here let's make this linear layout, orientation will be vertical, and inside this I will add cover image view, title view, and subtitle view. So for that I will use image view 180 dp, scale type will be fit xy, and ID will be, let's say, song cover image view, same ID we can give. And below this, here you can see image view, below this I will add text view, match parent wrap content, margin top, let's say 8 dp, tools text will give as, let's say, song name will be, say, song name, text size will be 18 sp, text color will be white because it will be on black background. So let's give ID to it, song title text view. In this way we have image and text view. Below this text view we will add another text view for subtitle. Let's copy paste this and give ID song subtitle text view. Let's remove this text size, we'll make it smaller, song subtitle, and text color will be text white. And for this linear layout, because it is a row item, we will make it wrap content, and margin vertical we will give around 16 dp, and also margin end around 16 dp. So it will look like this, image, text, and text. So we have done the row. Let's create the adapter. So let's go to adapter, new, Kotlin class file. Here we will say section song list adapter. Here what I will do, I will copy adapter code from songs list adapter. So here almost everything will be same. Let's copy this whole class and paste it over here, and we'll change the class name first, section songs list adapter. Here also section songs list adapter. Now the binding will be section songs list recycler row binding. So different view we are using over here. Here also what we will do, section songs list recycler row binding. And beside this everything will be same. We have title text view, we have subtitle text view, we have cover image, and we have on-click listener already setted. So everything will work. Now what we will do, we will go to Firebase and create some sections. So here let's create one collection that will be section. Let's say sections. Next, let's give the document ID because it is a section 1. Let's give document ID as section 1. So this will be our document ID. So field, same field what we were using on category, name, cover URL and songs. So here name value will be, let's say, trending. Cover URL will add later, and songs will add some songs. So in the same way we have added in category, we'll make it array and we'll add some songs. So whatever songs you want to put in trending, you can add those songs. Let's say I want to put song underscore 1, song underscore 5, song underscore 7, song underscore 8. Let's say I am adding random songs, whatever it is. Save. So we have one section that is trending where we have list of songs. Let's add cover URL as well from storage. Category image I have already added. I have added category trending, so you can add this image as well. Copy the link, and in cover URL I will paste. So this is our section 1. We will add more sections later. Let's implement this first. So now what I will do, I'll close everything first. I will go to main activity. So in main activity we are displaying the sections. So this is about category. Let's name it category, categories, and below this I will write for sections. Now here first thing what we will do, we will get the data from the Firebase. So how we will do that? I will create a function setup sections, setup section, let's say. So here I will set up the section. So first thing we'll get data from Firebase. So Firebase Firestore .get instance .collection, we have collection of sections, and inside we have one document that is section 1. So we have given the ID section 1, so it will fetch that document. So we'll get that document and add on success listener. We'll get the document snapshot. Now we know that this document has cover URL, name and songs. So in category model also we have name, cover URL, songs. So we can convert that. So for that what I will do, value section equals to it.toObject category model class.java. So in this way we will get the section from this IDE. Now inside this section we will have list of songs. You can see we have songs. We can assign it to RecyclerView. That's it. Now we'll check if sections.apply. That means if we have the data inside section. So here what we will do, first we will set the title of the section and we will set the RecyclerView. So for title we have binding.section1 title.text equals to section dot, we can say name, text equals to name. So it will assign the section name to our section 1 title. Now we will give data to RecyclerView. So for that binding.RecyclerView, that is section 1 RecyclerView.layout manager. First I will set linear layout manager, pass the context this at main activity, and we have to assign the adapter. So binding.RecyclerView.adapter equals to, we'll create new adapter, that is section songs list adapter. We need to pass the list of songs. So from where we'll get from category that we have songs. This is the list of songs inside category model. So it will assign those songs. Now if I call this setup section from onCreate, it should get the data. Like we have called this get categories, let's call this method setup section as well. Now if I run the application, we can see the arrow, that means view is visible, but we don't have the data. So let's see what happened over here. We have sections, inside that we have section 1. Let's check in Firestore sections, section 1. Here you can see I have made mistake. The spelling of section T is missing over here. I can delete this and create one more. Instead of that, what I will do here, I will pass it as whatever the ID is, session 1. So if I run again, let's see. You can see we have the data. We have trending, that is title, coming from Firestore, and we have the songs. But songs are coming vertically. So here in linear layout manager, what we will do, we'll pass the linear layout manager dot horizontal, and reverse layout will be false. Same way we have done over here. Now let's run it again. Now it is good. I have added 4 songs in the trending section. You can see all the songs are visible. If you click on this, it will play as well because we have added on-click listener. So this is working. This is dynamic and it is coming from the Firebase. If you change anything over here, let's say instead of songs 1, we'll make it song 4, update. If I relaunch the application, now we will have song 4 in our trending section. So this is, now let's implement. When we click on this arrow or this trending or anywhere over here, it will go to another page, that is songs list activity, and it will show the list of song like we are doing here. Same way we will do for trending section as well. So for that, what we will do, we will go to layout first, and here for this relative layout, whole entire relative layout, I will give one ID, that is section 1 main layout. Let's say section 1 main layout, and here once we got the section, what we will do, binding dot section 1 main layout dot set on click listener, and on click of this we'll go to songs list activity. So how we'll do that? In categories adapter, you can see when we click on any category, we are doing this. Let's copy this and paste it over here. So songs list activity dot category will be our section, and we'll start activity directly from this at main activity, and we'll go to songs list activity. Now if I run, if you click anywhere over here, you can see we have trending and we have the trending songs. So this is working. If you click on any song, it will play that song, but if you click over here, it will go to this section. Now we have one section, we can add multiple sections, but how? What we will do, we will make it dynamic. So for that, first thing what I will do is I will go to main activity binding. Here I will copy this entire relative layout and paste it 2 or 3 times. So if you want to make like 4 or 5, you can add those sections, but for now I will add 3 sections, and I will rename it as section 2 main layout, section 2 title, and section 2 RecyclerView, and for this section 3 title and 3 RecyclerView. In this way there will be 3 sections in our main activity. You can add multiple, but by default let's make all those invisible. So by default we will not show them, and if we have data then only we will show them. So for that, what I will do, for this main layout, visibility will be gone. For this first layout, for second layout as well, visibility will be gone. For this third layout as well, visibility will be gone. So we have added 3. If you go to main activity, and here whenever we got the data, first thing we will do, binding dot section 1 main layout dot visibility will be visible. If we have data, that means it should be visible then. In this way, if I run now, at first it won't be visible, and since we have only the trending section, that's why only the trending is visible. We have added 3 sections, but those are not visible because we have not added the data. So now what we will do, we'll make this dynamic first. We'll utilize this method to set up for all the section. So what we will do, here we are passing ID. We'll pass this from parameter. So first thing, let's say ID string, and we'll replace this with the ID. Second thing dynamic here is section main layout. So it can be section 1 main layout, 2 or 3 or 4. So here I will do main layout, let's say, and it will be of type relative layout, since this is a relative layout. And here I will do main layout dot visibility, and we have title. So for title also, title view, it is a text view, so replace this with title.text is equal to name. So recycler view also we have, so let's say recycler view, and we'll replace this recycler view. And on click of main layout, so it will be main layout. So in this way it will be dynamic. We have to pass ID, main layout, title view and recycler view. So here in setup section, first thing we will pass section 1, whatever the ID is. Second thing is main layout, so binding dot section 1 main layout. Third thing is text view, binding dot section 1 title, and recycler view, binding dot section 1 recycler view. So if you run this, it will be same. So we have made it dynamic. If you want to show second section, let's say, let's go to the Firestore now, add document, let's name it section now correctly. Name will be, let's say, classic. Field will be cover URL. If you have, we can add songs. Songs will be array, let's say song 6, song 10, song 9. Save it. So we have section 2. Here we can copy this now. For section 2, section 2 binding dot section 2 main layout, section 2 title, and section 2 recycler view. If I run this, now it should come. You can see classic spelling is wrong. Let's go to Firestore and make this classic. So you can see I have added 3 songs in classic. If you click on classic, it will show I have not added cover URL. I have that cover URL. Let's go to storage, category image. I have classic category, copy link, sections, section 2, and cover URL will be this. Now if I run again, so cover is also visible. So you can see in this way we have added dynamic sections. We have one section, we have two sections, we can have multiple sections. By default you can add in the application, let's say you can add 10 sections. If you copy this and paste it, let's make it section 3, 3, 3 and 3. We have 3 sections. So run it. So nothing will happen because we don't have any section. So you can make 10 section and copy this and paste it, make it 10 sections, and later in the Firebase you can update the sections. So that will be dynamic automatically. So here I have added 3 sections. So that's why I will give only 3 for now. So for third section, here section 3, name will be, let's say, all time hit. Field will be cover URL, which I don't have, and another field will be songs, array, song 4, song 10, song 7. You can add any number of songs you want. Now you can see I have third category as well, but the gap is not there. So for that I have added this view over here. Let's paste this in between the relative layouts. Now it is looking good. Now one more thing is there. If I play any song, let's say this song, if I come back here, we don't know that which song is playing. We don't know that which song is playing. So something should be visible over here so that we will get to know which song is being played. So for that, what I will do, I will go to activity main. Below this scroll view, whatever we have, I will add one view. There will show the current song that is being played. So below this scroll view, we have this relative layout. There I will add one more relative layout. Width will be match parent, height will be wrap content. Inside this relative layout, I will add one image view, 40 dp, 40 dp. Let's give ID to this song cover image view. Now here I will add text, wrap content, text, let's say now playing. You can see text color will be white, text size will be 20 sp, and we'll align this to the bottom. So for this relative layout, align parent bottom will be true, so it will go to bottom. You can see over here we have this now playing and the image view. So this now playing will be to end of image view, song cover image view, and padding start, let's give about 16 dp. Center vertical will be true, and let's give id to this song title text view. You can give any id. Now we have the image over here, we have the title. Here I will give padding for this relative layout about 8 dp, and background will be, let's say, black, so it will be black. And here the scroll view should be above this layout, so let's give id to this as player view, and in scroll view it will be above our player view, so this scroll view will always be here. So if I run the application now, you can see we have now playing. We have image view over here, we have not added, but this now playing should only be visible when the song is being played, not every time. So for that we'll make it dynamic. Let's go to main activity. Here what I will do, I will create one method that will be so player view. So here whenever we have something in this Exoplayer, that means we have the current song that is being played in Exoplayer, then only we will show. So for that, my Exoplayer dot current song get current song dot let, if it is there then only we will do. If it is not there, then we will add run method. If it is playing, it will go over here. If it is not playing, it will go over here. Here we'll do binding dot player view dot visibility is equal to gone. So here if it is there, binding dot player view dot visibility equals to view dot visible. Now we'll set the data as well. From this current song we can set the data. So binding dot song title text view dot text equals to it dot title, and the image view. So for that I will go to song slate adapter and copy this, paste it, load it dot cover URL into the songs cover image view. So we have to call this so player view. So from where we will call? We should not call this on uncreate, because if we play the songs and we come back, it will not be displayed. So we will do on resume method. So here we'll override one method, that is on resume, and inside that we will show player view. If the song is there, it will be visible, otherwise it won't be visible. Let's run and test. At first it is not visible. If I play, come back, you can see we have the song title, but the image view is not visible. If you see glide dot apply, we have missed dot into, so into it will be binding dot song cover image view. If we run now, it should be visible. Play the song, and you can see we have the image and the title. Here what we can do, we can add this title as now playing, and we can concat that. Now it will look like now playing Despacito. You can see now playing Despacito. Concat like this. Now if we play, you can see now playing. So it is working. We have now playing Jhume Jo Pathaan. Now if we click on this, it should go to the player activity. So let's implement that as well. So here what we will do, binding dot player view dot set on click listener. Here we'll just go to player activities. So intent this comma player activity class dot java. Click. So now it is playing this song. You can click on this, you can go directly. Now this is also working. So most of the things required for music streaming application is completed. We have different categories, we have different sections that are dynamic coming directly from the Firebase Firestore, and we can play any song, and we have also the player view In next video, we'll implement login and sign up feature so that only the authenticated user can use our application. First user will create the account, then login, then only user can use this application. So we'll use Firebase authentication to do login and sign up with email address and password. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. If you have any doubts and queries, please comment below. I will reply for you. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button before going. See you in the next video. Bye bye.